Looking for IT support in Sri Lanka that actually understands your business? Meet DR Tech Services. Don't let slow systems and cyber threats kill your growth. Unplanned downtime burns money. It's time to switch to proactive managed services. We are DR Tech. We offer local, SME-focused support with an unbeatable 99.9% uptime guarantee. We handle it all: 24/7 monitoring, network design, and full hardware servicing. Need to scale? We'll migrate your business to the Microsoft Azure Cloud for ultimate flexibility. And we ensure you never lose a file with encrypted offsite storage and quick data recovery. The result? Better security, remote work capabilities, and a massive return on investment. We offer flexible engagement options from hourly help to full monthly management. Join the businesses enjoying technical excellence and a long-term partnership with us. It starts with a simple audit to identify exactly what your infrastructure needs. Call the number on your screen now for a free consultation. DR Tech Services.